Our colleagues who lead with fiery red want action and quickly, so we often need to speed up for them. Stand tall, place your hands on your hip and use the space so that you exude confidence. Time box socializing. Make it optional or explain why it is valuable. Focus your attention on the task at hand. Explain why you want to do something and why. Prioritise and then move to action. Detach from the emotion or story of the moment. Shift to a more objective perspective by asking, what do I know to be true and factual? This will be a far more interesting conversation for a fiery red. Provide ways for your colleague to measure the success of your idea. Provide a criteria. Offer practical workspaces where a fiery red will not be disturbed and they can really focus on the task in hand. And don't overreact to their brusque style. They don't mean it. Finally, if you really want to influence somebody who leads with red, be brief, be bright, and be gone.